Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make money with DIGISTORE24 as a beginner doing affiliate marketing in 2023. One of the main reasons why I like DIGISTORE24 is because it's available worldwide and it's also completely free to sign up. All you need is your email address. Another reason why DIGISTORE24 has become so popular and in demand is its commission payout, as you'll be able to get your commission most of the time weekly or bi-weekly, and there are very few offers that pay monthly. And also another thing that I like about them is their cookie duration. As you can see, their average cookie duration is 180 days. That means that if someone were to tap on your affiliate link and even take a month or 2 months or even 3 months or longer, as you can see 180 days, you'll still be able to get your commission if that person were to go back and make a purchase. That is the beauty about DIGISTORE24. So unlike Amazon or other offers, other affiliate offers, for example Amazon, if someone were to tap on your affiliate link, if they don't make the purchase within a month, you won't be able to get a commission. But with DIGISTORE24, it goes up to 180 days. So even after a few months, if the person should decide to end up purchasing that offer or that product, you'll be able to get your commission. That is the beauty about DIGISTORE24. So all you need to do once on DIGISTORE24, you're going to go up to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on register now to sign up. And as I said earlier, all you'll need to do is simply create a username, then enter your email address, create a password, repeat the password that you have created, then tap on I mainly promote products of other providers. Once you have done that, you are going to be led to this page. And from this page, all I want you to do is simply tap on Marketplace at the top menu option. Then you want to ensure that you have selected digital products. And for this example, we'll be promoting this product, the Ultimate Keto Plan, as keto diet has become very popular since recently, and we'll be using this to our advantage to start making money. And also another reason why I think we should promote this plan is because of its high commission payout, as you'll be able to get up to 85% commission, as you can see right here. That's roughly $30 per sale. And if you were to scroll down and read more about it, you can see that this is a legit offer, and you can also see the popularity right here is quite good. And the traffic source that we'll be using, since we have decided that we're going to use DIGISTORE24 and we have found an affiliate offer, the next step is to find a reliable traffic source for completely free. And the platform that we'll be using to do this is none other than Pinterest. Pinterest is very underrated, as persons are sleeping on Pinterest and the amount of traffic that you can get on Pinterest for completely free. For example, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, and SimilarWeb, by the way, is a website that you can go on to see the estimated search traffic or overall traffic of any website. And I've placed in Pinterest.com, and you can see that on average they are getting 1 billion or even 1.1 billion visitors per month. That's a whole lot. And majority of their visitors are from tier 1 countries. And by tier 1 I mean United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom. As you can see, majority of their visitors are from the United States. Now that we have decided where we are going, what product we are going to promote, where we are going to promote that product, the next step is to start thinking about how we are going to do this. And the platform that we are going to be using to create all of this is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the AI that is running the place right now, and it's completely free and easy to sign up. And you can see that I went ahead and start so that I don't have to keep you waiting. I'll simply just breeze through this. All I want you to do once on ChatGPT, you can type in the keyword that you want to use. So for example, you could type in 3 tips how to lose weight using keto fast, or you could type in 3 tips how to lose weight using keto as a woman, as a man, and you can go on and on. You can choose different keywords, and the words are the topics that is right here. That is what we are going to be using to create our pin. And to create our pin, we'll be using the platform Canva. Canva is completely free to use. All you'll have to do is simply sign up with your email address. And once on Canva, what I want you to do is tap on the search bar, and you're going to simply type in Pinterest. And I want you to select this option right here, Pinterest pin 1000 by 1500 px. Then you're going to tap on create a blank Pinterest pin. After tapping on that, you'll be redirected to this page. And again, you can do all of this for completely free. Once on this page, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. And from here, you're going to select designs at the top. Then you're going to simply type in keto diet. And after selecting keto diet, you'll see numerous templates you can choose from. You'll simply scroll down till you see one to your liking. And by the way, this will be the background photo. So let's say, for example, this one right here. Now we are going to simply remove this section. So we can simply remove this section, remove the text also. So let's quickly remove this and remove the text. After you have done that, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option again. And you are going to select elements. After selecting elements, I want you to go to lines and shape, and you are going to select this right here. You can either select this square or this one. You are going to simply tap on it. Then you are going to extend it. So you are going to drag it, as you can see right here. Simply drag it at the 4 corners. After you have dragged it, what I want you to do next is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the 3 dots, then you are going to tap on transparency, and you are going to reduce the transparency. So you'll simply carry it back, as we want to show the background photo, as we want to create an eye-catching pin, as you can see right there. Then you are going to go back over to the left hand menu option, select text, and you are going to select a heading. Let's carry the heading up to the top. Then you are going to select you are going to select the body text right here. So you can simply tap on that. Then you are going to simply drag this down. After you have done that, you are going to go back onto ChatGPT, and you will simply copy the first section right here that says track your macronutrient intake. You'll simply copy this section. Then you are going to paste it as the heading. After pasting it as the heading, you are going to go over to font, and we can change the font style to something a bit more eye-catching. As you can select numerous options. You can also change the color of the font by tapping on the capital A, and you can select a color that you like to use. So let's say spice this up. I'll tap on this and I'll select a yellow shade. Let me reload the page real quick. Plus right here, let me add a yellow shade. You can see right there, it is now yellow. Let's look at it. You can see there, it is now yellow. And also let me move down the text section, the text box right here. And with this text box now, we are going to simply add the next section from ChatGPT. So let's go back, and you'll simply copy this section, and you're going to paste it in Canva. So you'll tap on that, then you're going to right click and paste. After you have pasted it, you're going to increase the font size as you want to make it readable. So you can increase the font size, carry it up to 42, then increase the width so it holds. Carry up this. You can see it right there. Then I'm going to also change the font. So let me change the font real quick. And you can also change the color of the font to make it easier to read. So you can select a color. Let me tap on the color box right there and choose a red shade. As you can see right there, you can personalize it to anything of your liking. Once you have done this, what I want you to do is simply hover over the page in the bottom left hand corner, and you are going to tap on duplicate page, and you will simply go back into ChatGPT, and you can simply paste all the other two, and you'll simply go back into ChatGPT and you'll simply copy and paste the other two just like I showed you earlier. And after doing this, the next thing I want you to do is go back onto ChatGPT after you're finished pasting it in Canva, and you're going to simply type in catchy headlines. So you want a catchy headline for Pinterest talking about keto diet, and you'll simply tap on enter, and you'll give it a few seconds. And I already had done that before, so I'll simply see it right here. You can see it right here, the catchy headlines. And all you have to do now is simply go back onto Pinterest. Then from here, you're going to tap on create in the top left hand corner, and you'll select create pin. Then you're going to tap right here to choose your pin. After you have tapped on that section, you'll simply go into downloads and you'll find the pin that you have created. For example, right here, tap on open. After you have selected open, you are going to copy and paste the title that you had asked ChatGPT to generate. And right here where it's asking to talk about the pin, you'll simply go back into ChatGPT, and you could copy a small section, for example, the first sentence. Then go back into Pinterest, and you'll simply paste it right here. And to add a call to action, all you have to do now, right where it says add a destination link, what I would like you to do is go over to Linktree. Linktree is completely free to sign up. So once on Linktree, you'll simply tap on sign up, and you are going to be led to this page. And on this page is where you are going to place your affiliate offer, or better yet, your affiliate link that you have gotten from DIGISTORE24. So you would simply go back over to DIGISTORE24, and you are going to tap right here, and you copy your affiliate link, and you are going to come back onto Linktree, and you are going to paste the link. After you have pasted the link, you will simply go up to the top right hand corner and select share. Then you are going to copy your Linktree link, and you are going to paste that on Pinterest, and that is the link that once someone clicks on that link and goes through and make a purchase, you'll be able to get a commission. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.